Hello, teacher. My name is Fernando Alberto Reyes Zambrano. The theme of my campaign is on what animal abuse. What is animal welfare? Animal welfare means that animals are healthy, comfortable, safe, and free from suffering. Animal needs proper food, kings, outer shelter, and weathering can to live healthy life. Good animal welfare helps animal grow properly and improves their quality of life. The, pro- the problem animal every problem many animal suffer because people do not provide underfood can some common problem and poor nutrition, lack of clean water, small living spaces, animal abuse and poor veterinary care, poor nutrition, lack of clean water, small living spaces, animal abuse, and poor veterinary care. Jesse and productive animal. Jesse animal are more productive and perform better. A proper can they grow properly and live longer benefiting farming and commuting better quality of lines and go. Animal health ensures that animals develop properly. As a environment weak food and kill outer improve the their quality of life and natural growth food quality and animal rights. El care for animal pros aid quality food. Furthermore, repeated derricks right staying and more go society out that is more or though well big all living win. Participate acts to improve animal welfare. King of Air Day Varied nutrition, Spain tour muy freely, no to animal abuse, respect and protect habitat, addition, action, we should repair animal. We should protect animal habitat. We should neglect animal here. They answer to their animal display on as for their well-being. What can you do? What can you do? Respect animal, report animal abuse, support animal welfare program, provide proper care for animal, educate other ambitious animal welfare. Finalmente, together we can improve animal welfare and create a better future for animals and people. Thank you.